if I have, if I don't consider myself like this, then I will not have English. Then I will not have a good self-esteem of myself. What is very important is to have a good self-esteem of yourself. Don't have low self-esteem. Low self-esteem will kill you. What is low self-esteem? நான் கருப்பா இருக்கேன், நான் அந்த ஜாதி, எனக்கு வேலை கிடைக்காது. You understand? All that you talk about, the bad things, the do's and don'ts. When you talk about the don'ts, it becomes low self-esteem. Never have low self-esteem. Yes, I can do. If I go and stand before the mirror, look at myself and say, "What is this? I will not have confidence in me. I should stand before the mirror and say, "Hey, you are smart. You can do wonders." If I say like that, I will get confidence. Why am I talking about myself? In order to tell you that you are all talented. Everyone is talented. Everyone has got the skill. Only thing is you have to hone your skill. Take a piece of wood, give shape. It's time for you to mold yourself. Not, I am sure this will not be done in a day's time, but by the end of your 8th semester, if I am not wrong, by the end of your semester, you will be better than what you are. English to best. Wherever I go, I don't find anyone talking in English. Why? English is a need of the. All other soft skills come later. Your interpersonal skills, your bargaining skills, your reasoning, your research about analytical skills. All these skills come later. The base, the first step in the ladder is communication skills. It is not those who give you jobs will not look at your marks. You take it from me, your principal is there, other colleagues are there, other teachers are there. Today the trend is they don't look at the marks. They look at how smart you are. Oh, we know this good. Oh, okay, we can give him a job. They will see how good you are in putting across things. And I'll tell you I'll give you one tip. Just one tip. Follow this. The tip is use verbal crutches. Please use this. You are English speaking. Any idea about verbal crutches? Do you know the crutch? If I am lame, I have to walk on the crutch. So when you are not in a position to speak, you use verbal crutches. What are verbal crutches? Please watch TV, watch English news, watch English channels. Especially watch Indians speaking in the TV. I remember how Dhoni was. Some 7 years ago, he was not in a position to speak in English at all. Today, he can speak better than me. Why? Because he has got the exposure. I feel nervous standing before this. Whereas Dhoni will stand with confidence and talk to the media. Why? Because of the experience. You should gain experience. How will you gain experience? Only when you make an attempt. Someone goes and speaks, others laugh. Today what is not there is complimenting each other. Again, please note it down. Compliment each other. What is complimenting each other? Complimenting. Either we flatter. Do you know the meaning of flatter? Vanja pugalchi, koi pugalchi. Sir, nee romba alaga irukking sir. Idu vanja pugalchi. Ena marks venum. Illati kira yariki undadadu. don't flatter, don't talk high of a person, but compliment each other. How do you compliment? Yes, Mr. Rajamohan, you are running a good show. Compliment. Please sit down. Please sit down. How many of us do that? How many of you do it among yourself? You are looking better today. Like this, you keep saying one thing in a day. Only what they deserve. It is fixed. What they deserve. If you say what they deserve, yes, then it is compliment. Please compliment. So, from the beginning, if I come, what did I talk about? I told you how many stories? 3 stories. Will you remember these stories? Yes. You should never forget these stories. Never in my life. Never in your life. You should remember these 3 stories. Okay, I'll come back to this. Verbal crutches. Verbal crutches are the words that you have to use in spoken language. Do you know who are the most talented people in the world? Japanese, of course. But when it comes to communication skills, who are the most talented people in the world? When it comes to adaptability, do you know the meaning of adaptability? What is adaptability? To sustain, to live according to the situation. You go to Kashmir, Indians will live. You send them to USA, they will live. You send them to Greece, they will live. You send them to Sri Lanka, they will live. But Japanese will not live. Japanese will not live. Chinese will not live. So who are the most talented people in the world? Indians. No, sorry. Who are the most talented people in the world?
Those who are adaptable.
Who are the most talented people in the world? Exactly, sir. Give him a good word of applause. I am the most talented people in the world. You are the most talented people in the world. You have to imagine that I am the most talented person in the world. இந்த மாதிரி என்ன கொண்டாந்தாதான் உங்களால மாத்த முடியும் உங்களையே. சைலண்டா இருந்துட்டு சார் ஏதோ வந்து போடுறாங்க அது புரியல, என்ன இது இன்ஜினியரிங் வந்து புரியல, போர் அடிக்குது, இப்படி எல்லாம் இருந்தா you have to be a jack of all trades. Jack of all trades. எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஸ்போக்கன் இங்கிலீஷா பேசுங்க. அந்த நாட்டு மன்னர் யாரு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். இது என்ன அது தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். If I ask, I'm sorry to say that my college students, they do not know who is the Chief Minister of Kerala. But they know who is the husband of Khushbu. I tell them, this is what is wrong. What you should know, you don't know. எது தேவையோ அதை வந்து தூக்கிடுவது, எது தேவையோ அதை வச்சுக்கிறது. Who married whom? All about celebrities, they know. I may not be knowing about the celebrities, but they know about the celebrities. But they do not know about the capital of USA, about South Africa. There are 3 capitals in South Africa. Do you know that? If you check the net, if you have, South Africa has got 3 capitals, not 1, not 2, not 3. It has got 3 capitals. So like this, you should know things. It is not Melbourne that is the capital of Australia. You all imagine only Sydney is the capital of Australia. No. Exactly, sir. Canberra is the capital. You should know a bit of everything. Only then you will be in the position to survive. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் அங்க கொஞ்சம் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். அதுக்காக கொஞ்சம் பத்தி தெரியாம இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஆனா எது முக்கியமோ that you should know. So you should be a jack of all trades. I'll go back. I asked who are the most talented people in the world. Come on, loudly, let the building break. Who are the most talented people in the world? I am myself. Come on, say. See, I'll give you one small tip. I said I will give many tips, but I'm not doing that. One small tip in order to grow your self-esteem. Self-esteem, நீங்களே வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? செல்ஃப் எஸ்டீம்னாக்கா தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க? தன்னை தானே உயர்த்திக் கொள்ளுதல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கலாமா?